Hey everybody, it's Abby. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome if you're new. Welcome to the last video that I'm filming today in this hair and makeup and shirt and everything. So I'm going to be starting a new 100 Days of Makeup challenge. So I did that before, but I don't remember if I really announced it on my YouTube channel. So what I'm doing is on Instagram, I'm going to post a new makeup picture every day for 100 days, which actually coincidentally ends on my birthday. So I didn't know that my birthday was on the 100th day of the year. That's kind of cool, I guess. But I am going to, starting today, I'm actually filming this on the 29th? Yeah, December 29th. So I'm going to get a couple days a head start on that project just in case I miss a day or something happens and I'm prepared for it or whatever. So how I'm going to do this, just logistically with posting to Instagram, if you want to do 100 Days of Makeup or something similar, check out the website called Planoly. It's Planoly. I'll put it up on the screen. It's not like an ad for them or anything. I'm just saying that I'm using that service in case you want to do this too with your Instagram. But basically, you can upload a picture to there, and you can fill in the what's it called, the caption, and it will. If you have a paid account, it'll post it automatically. If not, then it will sync to your phone, and it'll pop up like at the time that you set for it to post, and then you just have to click on it and post it. So I'm super excited to get this started. Again, I made it up to like day 50 last time, and then a bunch of stuff happened and I didn't get to finish it. So hopefully I can finish it this month, and also that would help me a lot with my using up makeup and help me to see, because I really want to test out a bunch of makeup products and see like which ones are my favorite and which ones I would repurchase once I use them all up. So yeah, that's about it. Let me know if you want to join in on this challenge. I know this is like a major thing, but I'm like an all or nothing kind of person. So yeah, that's about it. So let me know what you think, and I'll see you then. Bye. Also, I didn't mention my Instagram name is @Azkaland, same way it's spelled here. I'll have a link below too.